Hey guys, Tony, good morning. So I wanted to update you guys on my KuCoin portfolio. As you guys know that I will not be doing what is it called, micro caps, at least not for the foreseeable like future, right? Micro caps are cool, but they're cool when the bull market is here, right? It's good. I only do micro caps when everything is actually moving up, and the only way that I would do it is if Ethereum and Bitcoin close a bullish week. They're getting close, but not yet, right? Technically, I'm still bearish on both Ethereum and Bitcoin. And as long as those two are bearish, I am not buying micro caps and doing what I used to do, which is, buy a micro cap on crypto or on KuCoin.com, wait till it, hopefully I did the TA right and it does like a full 100% gain, and then I would sell half and then I'll go to the next one. The next one, as a lot of you guys know, I went up to like, I think 6, 7, or 8. I think I did like 6, 7, or 8 of them, and I think the first like 6 or 7 hit, and I think I didn't, like, I think the next like 2 didn't hit. I forgot which ones they were, but point is most of them hit, right? Which is fantastic. I think I made like $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 off of all of them. I mean, I had, LSS did really well, and then I had Boson hit, then I had what is it called? I think like Pyro War hit, and then I had I forgot which ones I did. It was a while ago. I mean, they're here somewhere, right? They're here somewhere. There's a bunch that I had. I think Shill did a full 100% for me. Seaward did 100% for me. The ones that didn't run, there's a lot that didn't, like, there's a couple that didn't hit. RFox did 100% for me. I mean, I don't want to go through all of them, but yeah, right now, hold up. And then right now, my focus is going to be on 3L positions, which is basically 3 leverage, right? It basically means that this position is considered a leverage position of 3x, of 300%. So if Atom moves up $1, technically on Atom 3L, you would have a move of $3, right? It's just a 3x. It's just a 3x leverage position, right? It's just how it moves. I think it's based off of percentage wise. So if regular Atom goes up like 10%, then you'll see 30% gain on Atom. But they don't actually map 1-to-1, right? Which is why I'm extremely interested in the 3L versions, because back when Atom was at all-time highs. I mean, Atom was at all-time highs back in, so October 20th, Atom 3.0 was at $12, right? Let's go look at Atom. That's October 20th, right? October 20th, Atom was at $12 on the 3.0. Let me make this less ugly for everybody. October 20th. There you go. So right here, somewhere on this area, right? Somewhere here, when Atom was at 43 bucks, right? Atom 3.0 was at $12, and it dropped all the way to $1.26 right now. So if Atom was to go back up to, this price of like these all-time highs of like $44, there's a strong chance that you might actually see Atom back at, $12. And this drop is pretty significant, right? The fact that it was at $12 at all-time highs for Atom, and now it's at $1 basically, you can potentially see a 12x from these 3L leverage positions. But again, I don't know what, I haven't really looked at it to see what the actual move is like. It is kind of crazy though, because on Atom, I actually bought Atom when it was at, I think $1. I think I bought Atom like at $1. So I put in 3,500 bucks. It ran up all the way up to like $5,000, and Atom only went up like $1 or $2. And here I basically almost made 50% of my money with Atom only running about $1, with Atom only going up about $1 or $2. So the leverage is weird, right? It doesn't, just because it says 3L, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's only 3x leverage. It seems to be like it's way more leverage than 3 times, which is why I love it. Obviously, the downside is you lose your money 3 times as fast. Look at this drop, right? 12 all the way to $1. So you know, this 3Ls are definitely about timing it right, or at least trying to time it right, right? You're not, it's 3Ls aren't about, hey, you know, let me try it, let me buy it right now, and then we'll see what happens. No, 3Ls are definitely about timing it right. If you do get it right, you can see some pretty insane gains, right? So if we do see all-time highs on Atom, I'm hoping that we do go all the way back to $12, right? So from now, I would see a 12x for my position. Right now, currently, you know, I have $3,600 in Atom, right? If we go back to, if we do a 12x from here, you know, I'm looking at what's 3,600 times 12, right? Actually, let's do the quick math because I can't do it in my head. 3,600 times 12, I'd make $43,000 off of a $33,500 investment that I already took like $1,500 profit on, right? I already took like $1,200 profit, and I threw it into, what is it? I threw it into DOT and AVAX, right? I already took profit and I put some into DOT and I put some into AVAX, right? And now I'm holding 3Ls on ADA, Atom, DOT, and AVAX. And the crazy part is for ADA, I think ADA is like 100%, like 100 and something X, right? You can buy ADA 3L at 3 cents right now, or sorry, at 9 cents. And peak highs were, I don't think it's 12. Let me see. Is it actually 12? Yeah, I think it is. I think it is actually. Let me see. I got to get rid of this. Hold up. 12, right? So 1260. So if you do 1260, you know, divided by 0.09, you know, 1260 divided by 0.09, you're looking at 140x. And I have like $3,000 in this, right? I put into ADA. So let's say, $3,000 times 140. I'm looking at almost a $500,000 gain if it ends up going back to, what is it called? To $12.60. Can it? I don't know. It's ADA, right? ADA has been going down for a very long time. This is just kind of like a fool's insurance play. ADA is a good project, but it's been shitting the bed lately because it got really hurt from the bear market, getting delisted from eToro and all that other crap. But as of right now, I'm pretty happy with the 3Ls, just kind of holding it. I'm essentially using this as a very long-term hold, but they just happen to be leveraged. As soon as, you know, if we do end up going in a bull cycle again and we run up back to all-time highs, these positions I will sell out of all these positions. These are extremely risky to hold during a bear market. I will say that right now. These are about timing everything right. These are not about just getting into them and seeing what you can make. Obviously, you can swing this, but if you want to make the most money, this is about timing, right? 3Ls are about time. It's about trying to figure out what the actual bottom is and not losing a shit ton of money, and then it keeps going down, right? That's the real issue here. But just updating you guys my KuCoin portfolio. It's currently at 79.7. I actually started this with around $6,000, I think. I think I already made like 1,500 on Atom. I took like a $200 loss because I bought I think I bought Sushi and Uni. I took a $200 loss and I added that into AVAX, but everything else is up, except for ADA. Actually, I'm down to like $1,000 on ADA right now. So I'm just that's why I said I'm just kind of holding everything for right now. Technically, I'm like break even or so, but we'll see what happens. I'm very highly debating on whether or not I should sell my full Ethereum position on Coinbase and add it here, because, you know, at peaks, you know, it was at like $5, $6, $7, right? So, right, if I put money in now into Ethereum, I'd essentially make like a 6x my money, right? If Ethereum decides to run all over again. But, you know, it all depends, because they don't correlate with price all that well. I mean, back here, what was the last time that, you know, back on May 5th, Ethereum went all the way up to $94, right? So it's like real all-time highs, but I guess there was a lot of volume coming in from there. Look at that, $94. You would see a 94x if you bought Ethereum right now. I don't know if I'm going to do it. Just, you know, I'm not going to do it unless, you know, Ethereum closes a bullish week. When it does, I'll probably sell half of my Ethereum and I'll throw it into here just to see what happens. So I don't know. I'll see you guys later. Just a quick update. That's how 3Ls work. You can only find them, as far as right now, as far as I know, you can only find them on KuCoin. I don't know if you can really find them anything else. I would not I like them because they're not margin, right? You're basically just betting that, you know, you want to put your money in something that'll go up 3 times faster, but it can also go down 3 times as fast. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.